guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nashley and today's video is going to be a super quick one on this very easy tutorial. We bought this outdoor table on the Facebook marketplace and we give it a little makeover. It's such a cute little compact table that can actually seat 4 to 6 people. It has leaves. I love this table and it did not look like this. If you're looking for furniture and you don't want to spend a lot of money and you want to go the affordable route, I highly suggest going on the Facebook marketplace. Stay tuned. This is the picture from the Facebook marketplace ad and I was instantly drawn. We bought it for $50 and I do not regret it. The set is in pretty good shape. Some of the chairs are missing planks, but my husband replaced that very easily and we just got straight to painting. So we are using our spray gun and a leftover green that we had and some white mixed in, and it created this light green color. We did not bother sanding as the table was in good shape. Between coats, we set them out to dry under the sun to speed up the drying process, and it really helped because we were able to paint the chairs and the table in under 2 hours, so that was very nice. Once everything was dry, we decided to place it in our lanai/patio area because that's where we were looking for seating. And as you can see, the table is very compact. It literally takes up no space. The girls have a lot of space to run around in, and I love that we can have the option to seat more people if we wanted to by adding some leaves to the table, which it brought, and we were able to paint as well. So this is what it's looking like. I love it. The wood is in good shape and everything is looking tip-top shape. And here's a reminder of what it looked like before, and with a little bit of love, it looks like this now. So this is it with 4 chairs and this is it with 6 chairs. I am in love. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said earlier, if you're looking for any kind of furniture or anything unique and you don't want to spend a lot of money, I highly suggest going on the Facebook marketplace to find that piece you're looking for. Remember that things are not always what they seem, so you saw how this looked like before and you look at it now, it looks brand new, and we gave it new life, so things can be restored. I hope you guys truly enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that bell notification to be notified when I post a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!